In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add special taglines to posts and pages in the Castello theme. Go to your dashboard and open a page or post that you want to edit. If you are using the classic editor, on the right side of the screen, find the Custom Options meta box. Find the Page Tagline text field. Add a few words or a short sentence and update your page. The tagline is displayed before the main title. The process is the same if you're using the block editor, with the only difference being the location of the Custom Options meta box. Instead of being at the top of the screen, it will be displayed at the bottom, after all the other page panels. You can use this theme feature to add short descriptions to your pages. On room pages, this is a great way to add your starting room rate or your main selling point for each room. Taglines can also be displayed in other parts of a website, like on pages that display child pages. If all this sounds too difficult, you might be interested in our special professional setup package. You can visit our pricing page for information about our pricing plans and special packages. Please contact our support team if you have any questions.